This tutorial is one of many instructional videos presented by the Olympus America Scientific Equipment Group Industrial Microscopes. This tutorial will provide you with detailed instructions on getting started with roughness measurement on the Olympus LEXT OLS4000 3D measuring laser microscope. The LEXT incorporates a highly intuitive user interface for accurate measurement of surface roughness in compliance with ISO 4287 standard. As a prerequisite to measuring surface roughness, ensure that the imaging mode has been selected as well as the roughness interface tab. Focus in on your sample with a 5x objective lens, then set the brightness for both color and laser mode. There are two methods in which you can define the evaluation length for surface roughness. The first of which is called sample length. In this method, the evaluation length is defined as a function of the cutoff value multiplied by the number of cutoff increments. For example, here, the 0.75 mm evaluation length is a product of the cutoff value and the number of cutoff increments. The second method of defining the evaluation length is called arbitrary length. Here, you simply enter the value of the evaluation length without any cutoff values. In both methods, you can optionally program in values for pre- and post-travel. For example, here we have programmed pre- and post-travel values of 0.1 mm. As a function of these values, the measurement length has increased from 0.75 mm to 0.95 mm. However, the overall evaluation length remains consistent at 0.75 mm. The default objective lens for surface roughness measurement is 50x, which we highly recommend. However, the objective lens chosen for roughness measurement can be changed by the user. Click the button Advanced Settings, then Advanced Settings again. From the Data Acquisition menu, choose Roughness Objective Lens to select an alternative objective lens. We are now ready to acquire an image for roughness measurement. Using the joystick, align the field of view such that the red horizontal line is positioned as the roughness evaluation line. Once the roughness line has been positioned accordingly, press the Acquisition button. The image acquisition will now start and is completely automated. The LEXT will autofocus at each objective lens until it reaches the dedicated roughness lens. Based on the evaluation length, the LEXT will automatically acquire the required number of images. Once the acquisition is complete, we can click on the Measurement Mode button to process the image and measure roughness. The top graph displays surface roughness. In this graph, the x-axis represents the evaluation length, whereas the y-axis represents height values. The slope in this roughness profile denotes that the sample is not flat in nature. Therefore, we can apply an inclination correction filter to correct for this slope. The peak in this roughness profile may be an anomaly that you wish to exclude. By interactively defining an exclusive area, any section of the roughness profile can be excluded from the measurement results. Conversely, you can define a range of the evaluation length to be included in the measurement results. In addition to roughness, the LEXT provides primary and waviness parameters as well as a mixture of all three. Further, the bearing curve and ADC can be displayed. Now we can determine the analysis parameters. Choose the appropriate analysis parameter from the drop-down menu. You can edit the analysis parameter and choose which subparameters are displayed in the datasheet. For example, RA, RZ, RQ, etc. Should you wish to use a cutoff filter, select the corresponding button or enter a user-defined cutoff value. Notice how the analysis results are profoundly affected as a result of the cutoff filter. After selecting all of the appropriate analysis parameters, click the button Export to Datasheet to create a datasheet containing all pertinent measurement parameters. Right-click anywhere in the datasheet to delete data, export in CSV format, or transfer directly to Microsoft Excel. By simply clicking the Report button, a detailed report is automatically generated, including all measurement and statistical results. The report can be modified, then exported to PDF or Microsoft Word format. Even if you did not acquire the image in roughness mode, you can still measure line roughness on any confocal image acquired with a LEXT. Ensure that you are in measurement mode, click the Measurement button, then Line Roughness. In the preview window, position the horizontal red evaluation line where you wish to be measured on the image. In addition to line roughness measurement, area roughness can be measured over the entire image or a specified area of interest. In measurement mode, select the Surface Roughness button. Select the appropriate analysis parameters as previously discussed with line roughness. Click the Calculate button to calculate the area roughness analysis. A height-encoded image is now displayed. The area roughness analysis parameters are listed below the image and can be transferred into a datasheet by pressing the Export button. In this instructional video, we have covered how to measure roughness with the Olympus LEXT OLS4000 3D measuring laser microscope. We hope this video has been beneficial, and we invite you to contact us directly with any questions whatsoever.